you clicked on this video for a reason, to figure out how to make abstract gradient backgrounds. Well, unfortunately, I can't teach you that. I will be teaching you the tools to use, though, which will hopefully help you in your creations. So, the main things we will be using is the brush tool and colors. So, to begin, I started by finding a color palette from Pinterest. Hold on, what the shit? From Pinterest. By looking up gradient color palette, and I just found one. Cool enough. After finding one, I went ahead and opened it up by dragging through my downloads and what the hell? By opening it into Photoshop. Boom. Then, right click, brush tool. I went on ahead. I'm turning that layer on. Create another layer. Hold on, not yet. This is what I did after color picking and coloring the different colors that I wanted to use in my gradient abstract shapes. So, we're going to choose what? We're going to choose, we're going to make a new layer. Oh my god, I can't speak English. Choose a new layer. Then, we're going to go to our brush tool. And I'm going to right click on the canvas so I can edit my brush. I want it to have 0% hardness. Correct. Now, I'm going to click on this little box right here for color picking. Color pick my blue. And I'm going to, hold on, I'm going to, whatever. Doodle on my first color, and I'm going to continue color picking. With this, you want to color, you want your colors to overlap in a circular sort of pattern. Why does it keep saying that? Anyways, I'm going to keep doing this. Oh my god. Everything just keeps popping up. I'm so sorry. Stop it. Oh my god. Out of all the times I chose to do this. What the hold on. Continue color picking. Ooh. It keeps doing this. Oh my god. I'm going to keep coloring, overlapping my colors. Continue to overlap my colors. It's going to send that same message up again. Oh my goodness, why does it keep doing that? Whatever. Okay. After I have colored on my colors, overlapped, put them into a circular shape of sort, I'm going to select my layer. It's still selected, but I'm just saying, select the layer, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So you can tinker around with the slider, but I figured that 27.5 works best for getting yourself a nice fade sort of gradient that can blend well together. And click OK. Cool. Now, I'm going to go back to the brush tool, right click, and we're going to move on to the mixer brush tool. This is the fun part and also a tricky part because even now I still struggle with it. We're going to start by clicking this button right here, this arrow, downward arrow, clean the brush, and then we're going to move, push this button, make sure your setting is on dry heavy load, wet 0%, load 100%, makes not worry about that, don't worry about this, don't worry about that or that, and 10% is cool. Do not have this checked, otherwise it's going to sample all these layers, and you don't want that. Let me turn this off, hold on. Okay. Oh, the black background helps me see the colors better. Now, to select these color, I'm going to go to my general, what the fuck just happened? Hold on. What did I just do? Oh, hold on. There, okay. I'm going to go to my general colors, hard brown, 100% hardness. I'm going to turn down the size. Okay, that's a good size. You want to make sure it's 100% hardness so that you don't get some sort of weird, funky outcome. Now, this is perfect, the perfect size to select all my colors. Now, I've placed the brush where I want to sample the colors from. So now I'm going to hold down Alt, and I'm going to click using the left side of my mouse. And then here we have it. This is what it looks like. This is what the gradient is. I'm going to turn this off while I'm doing a lot of that. Okay. I'm going to turn this down a little bit, and then boom. This is what we have now. You can obviously draw different directions. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cool, right? The cool thing about the mixer brush as well is you can use different brushes. Fine. Right clicking. I'm moving down. This is a form. This is my form of brushes set, aka shapes, abstract shapes. I will be linking this, if you want this pack, in the description, and hopefully I will have published it on DeviantArt by then. So, yeah. DeviantArt is a pretty cool place for getting free things. And even sometimes you get sent to other sites, but those sites are easy to like get around and find cool stuff to use. You can even use this brush, the mixer brush, with solid sort of brushes, brushes that don't have too much transparency. You can really work with this. You can do whatever you want. Like I said, I'm just teaching you guys the tools you can use to make these cool gradient backgrounds or things of that sort. I don't really like making gradient backgrounds like that, so I'm more of a simple person, so I just do whatever, really. Moral of the story, I hope I taught you guys some cool stuff. And about the mixer brush is the strangest thing, but it's also a really cool tool in Photoshop. If you don't already have Photoshop, please watch my other video, my previous video, to learn how to get that. Cool. I think that's it for this video, but I will say some words. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions, or you want to see me do other tutorials in the future. That's cool. My computer is shitty, so I will be building a PC at some point after I get my stimulus check, hopefully. If you guys would like to see me build my PC, my first ever PC, using eBay, Amazon, and AliExpress used and new parts, for like a price range of 200 to 400, 450 maybe, then please just tell me. I think it would be cool, because this channel isn't always about graphics. I'm thinking about turning it into a graphics gaming channel. Who knows? Anyways, thanks for checking it out. Thanks for checking this shit out. Hope you learned something new. Alright, cool.